I have some big news that I am so excited to share with you guys. If you know me, you know I love me some American buttercream. I have been making it since I started making cakes over 20 years ago. And in my buttercream, I use Sweetex high ratio shortening, and I sing the praises of it all the time. However, a lot of people get really frustrated because that high ratio shortening is only sold in 50-pound blocks until today. So I am so happy to tell you guys that I have partnered up with Oasis Cake Supply, and that is a local cake supply company. And when I first met with them, the very first thing that I said was, we need to be able to sell the Sweetex high ratio shortening in smaller quantities. And they delivered, and I'm so excited to share this with you. So Oasis Cake Supply is now selling the Sweetex high ratio shortening in 2.5 pound, 5 pound, 25 pound, and 50-pound options. And I do have an affiliate link for you guys, which will give you 10% off your order. So I am going to put that link in my link tree, and I will put it in the description, and it will be all over the place. So you guys can click that link, which will take you to the Oasis site so you can get the Sweetex high ratio shortening. And that 10% off isn't only for the Sweetex, it's for your entire order. They have tons of cake supplies. I highly recommend going to their website and checking it out. And I'm telling you, it's something that I say to people all the time. I wish you could just try it to see how big of a difference the high ratio shortening is from regular like Crisco shortening. It has a smooth mouth feel. It's thicker and creamier. It's not greasy, and it really just takes your icing to another level. So I'm so excited for you guys to try it. If you try it, please send me a message or leave a comment and let me know what you thought about it.